Today's topic is relations. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, a finite set. We defined A cross A from A to A, defined from this arrow diagram 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, again 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. A contains 3 members, A cross A contains 3 into 3, 9 members. Relations are subsets of Cartesian products. That is, relations are subsets of Cartesian product A cross A. R is subset of A cross A. Note that A contains M members, B contains N members. A cross B contains M into N members. Number of relations from A to B is 2 raised Mn. In this case, A contains 3 elements, A cross A contains 3 into 3, 9 elements. Number of relations from A to A is 2 raised 9. That is 512 relations from A to A. One example is R is equal to set ordered pair 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 3 2. This relation is subset of this cross product A cross A. Set of all first components are called domain of R. Here it is set 1, 2, 3. Set of all second components, images, is range of R is equal to set 1, 2. Types of relations. First type is empty, void or null relation. Example, R is equal to set ordered pair AB such that modulus A minus B less than 0. AB belongs to A. Here there is no component coming from A to A because difference of two component is non-negative. Therefore, it is a null set. So, R is equal to null set. No element of A is related to any single element of A. This type of relation is called empty relation. Next one is universal relation. R is equal to set ordered pair AB such that modulus A minus B greater than or equal to 0, AB belongs to A. That is A cross A. Each element of A is related to every element of A because differences of AB is always greater than or equal to 0. R is equal to A cross A, subset of A cross A. A set is subset of itself. Reflexive relation. For all A belongs to A, AA belongs to R. Such type of relations are a reflexive relation. It is denoted by A related to A, R, A. Example, R is equal to set ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 2. Second one, R2 is equal to set ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. A relation is reflexive. Strictly, it contains all AAs like 1, 1, 2, 2. Otherwise, it is not reflexive. Example, R3 set ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2. It is not reflexive because 2, 2 not belongs to this relation. Fourth one is symmetric relation. For all AB belongs to A, ordered pair AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. Example 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 1 symmetry of 1, 1 is 1, 1. symmetry of 1, 2 is 2, 1, symmetry of 2, 1 is 1, 2. All contained in R4. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. It is symmetric because symmetry of 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2, 1 is 1, 2, 2, 3 is 3, 2, 3, 2 is 2, 3. All contained in R5. Not symmetric R6. Set ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 2. Symmetric component of 1, 2 is absent here. Therefore, R6 is not symmetric. Like R7. 3, 2 contained in R7, 2, 3 not contained in. R6, R7 is called anti-symmetric relations. Anti-symmetric relation means only reflexive members shows symmetry. Other members not to show symmetry. That means it is not symmetric, but some reflexive members are there. 2, 2 contained in R6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 contained in R7. So it is anti-symmetric. Note that empty relation is trivially symmetric. Empty relation is trivially symmetric because which does not contradict our definition. Transitive relation. For all A, B, C belongs to A, ordered pair AB, ordered pair BC belongs to R implies AC belongs to R. That is 1, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R implies first and last member 1, 3 belongs to R. AB, BC, then AC. 1, 2, 2, 3, then 1, 3. Example is R8. Equivalence relation. A relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. It is called equivalence relation. Our A cross A 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. And R10 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. These two relations are always reflexive because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 are there. Symmetric 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So symmetric, and it is also transitive because 1, 2, 2, 3, then 1, 3 contained. 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2 contained. So R9 and R10 are equivalence relations. Number of relations from A to A is 2 raised n into n is equal to 2 raised to n square, where A contains n members. Number of reflexive relations is 2 raised n square minus n. Number of symmetric relations 2 raised n into n plus 1 by 2. Number of reflexive and symmetric relations 2 raised n into n minus 1 by 2. Number of elements of A and number of equivalence relations. Set contains 1 element. Number of equivalencies are 1. Set contains 2. Equivalence is 2. Set contains 3. Number of equivalence relations 5. Set contains 4 members. Number of equivalence relations is 50. Questions. Number 1. Let R be the relation on set of all real numbers defined by A related to B if modulus A minus B less than or equal to 1. Then R is option A reflexive symmetric, option B symmetric, option C transitive, option D equivalence. Answer. Modulus A minus A equal to 0, that is less than 1. That means ordered pair AA belongs to R. So it is reflexive. Modulus A minus B less than or equal to 1 is given. Therefore, surely modulus b minus a less than or equal to 1. That is, AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. So it is symmetric. But modulus 1 minus 2 equal to 1 less than or equal to 1. Modulus 2 minus 3 equal to 1 less than or equal to 1. Modulus 1 minus 3 is equal to 2, which is not less than or equal to 1. That is, 1, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R, but 1, 3 not belongs to R. So it is not transitive. Therefore, clearly option A, reflexive and symmetric relation. Number 2, let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and R is equal to set ordered pair 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2 be a relation in A, then R is option A reflexive, option B symmetric, option C transitive, option D equivalence relation. 1, 1 node belongs to R. There is 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, but 1, 1 node belongs to R. It is not reflexive. 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 node belongs to R. So it is not symmetric. 1, 2, 2, 2 belongs to R. 1, 2 belongs to R. First and last is 1, 2. So 1, 2 belongs to R, transitive. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 is also transitive. Therefore, option C, transitive relation. Next question is, 2 points A and B in a plane are related if OA is equal to OB. O is a fixed point. This relation is reflexive but not symmetric, symmetric but not transitive, an equivalence relation, reflexive only relation. Answer is OA is equal to OA, so it is reflexive. OA is equal to OB implies OB is equal to OA. Symmetric relation, OA is equal to OB, OB is equal to OC, then OA is equal to OC. It is transitive. Hence, it is an equivalence relation. Option C. Some questions from question bank. If number of elements in set A and B are M and N respectively, then number of relations from A to B is, answer, 2 raised M into N is the correct answer. If R is a relation from a set P to Q, then which of the following is correct? Relations are subsets of P cross Q. P to Q, therefore P cross Q. If there is Q to P, option B is correct. Here P to Q, option A is correct. Q to P, option B is correct. Another one, if A is a finite set having n elements, then number of relations which can be defined from A is 2 raised n square is the correct answer. 2 raised n into n. If n is a factor of m, relation between n and m is n is a factor of m. The relation defined in z minus z0, that is non-zero integers, is reflexive and symmetric, symmetric and transitive, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, reflexive, transitive, not symmetric. Clearly it is not symmetric because 5 is a factor of 10, but 10 is not factor of 5. Symmetry is not possible. 2 is a factor of 4, but 4 is not factor of 2. clearly not transitive. And it is reflexive. 5 is a factor of 5, 6 is a factor of 6, 7 is a factor of 7, so reflexive. 2 is a factor of 4, 4 is a factor of 8, then 2 is a factor of 8, transitive. 5 is a factor of 10, 10 is the factor of 20, then 5 is a factor of 20, clearly transitive, reflexive and not symmetric. It is option D. Let X be the family of sets and R be the relation in X defined by, the relation is A is disjoint from B, that is A intersection B null set. The relation R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, antisymmetric. It is not reflexive because A intersection A is A, not a null set. Symmetric, this relation is clearly symmetric because A intersection B null set, then surely B intersection A null set. So option B, symmetric relation. Another question is, a void, that is empty relation in set A is which of the following option? We have, it is not reflexive because empty relation contains no elements. Therefore 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 all are absent here. Therefore not reflexive. But it is trivially symmetric and transitive because which does not contradict our definition. Note that a void relation is symmetric and transitive.